Hey, what's up guys? This is Adam Heitzman and welcome to Tea Time with Adam. Today I will be drinking Missed Opportunity from Mountain Stream Teas, which is a nice green high mountain oolong from Taiwan. For the first infusion I brewed it for about a minute, 5 grams of the tea, with 190 degree Fahrenheit water, which is basically what I usually do for these types of teas. And let's taste this right here. This first infusion is pretty light. It has a nice, sweet vegetal note that comes out. It almost slightly reminds me of a green tea with the vegetalness that I'm getting, but it's just very light and subtle. Yeah, this tea, it's got a nice solid finish with just a hint of a fruit flavor in there. Yeah, this first infusion is just a pretty light yellow, as you can see. It almost has this nice floralness to it throughout the whole thing. Yeah, so that was the first infusion. For the second infusion, I think I'm gonna go about the same length. So, another minute. Let's see. Yeah, the second infusion is slightly darker yellowish green. Yeah, the vegetal notes are definitely a bit more pronounced in this infusion. It's definitely not as light as it was in the previous infusion. It's just got this nice long finish to it that's really good. Yeah, I'm definitely getting almost a grassy sort of flavor, just very subtly mixed in with the whole vegetable sort of notes that I'm getting. Yeah, this isn't too complex of a tea with a lot of different notes to pick out, but it is very enjoyable. Yeah, there's still just a little bit of soury fruit flavor right in the finish, but that's very subtle. Yeah. That's all for the second infusion. Yeah, for the third infusion, I'm probably just gonna go a minute again, just see how it is. Let's see. I think I went a little closer to a minute and a half on this one because I got distracted between shots, but yeah, let's see. Yeah, still just a nice medium yellow color. I don't know if that minute and a half was long enough. I'm not really getting much flavor. Just hot water. Yeah, I'm gonna put this back in, or what's left of it. Okay. Let's pour it, see if it's better now. Oh yeah, it's much darker. Yeah, now I'm getting that light vegetal flavor again that I was getting in the first infusion. It's just got this big, like, warm flavor just surrounding it this time. But it almost kind of reminds me of, like, a bready sort of flavor. I don't really know why, but yeah, I was definitely getting a note of bread on that little bit right there. Or actually, I'm not sure. Maybe it was less of a bread sort of note that I was getting and more of, like, cream. I can't really tell. There wasn't really enough of it in that last little sip to really fully distinguish. And let's see, fourth infusion. I guess I'll probably go a solid min and a half on this one then. Yeah, this time I'm getting almost more of like a burnt flavor. Like it's got kind of the smooth, creamy vegetalness that I was getting before. There's like a definite note of like burnt charcoal that I'm getting. Almost like you get in a roasted oolong, except I don't think this one's roasted. Yeah, it's definitely like a burnt charcoal flavor. And some notes of like warm cream, I guess. Pretty much what I was tasting on that. There wasn't really much in that infusion. It tasted pretty dull by comparison. Like, the other infusions didn't have that much flavor either, but they were just like a soft, subtle, you know, just a good like light tea to drink. This one was just kind of weirdly light but also burnt at the same time. Not the biggest fan of that infusion. Tea as a whole is pretty decent, but yeah. That might just be because I'm brewing it too much or too long, but yeah. I think I'll go a minute and a half again on this fifth infusion and just find out. The burnt flavor is a lot smoother this time, although it almost feels like it's starting to develop a bit of astringency in there. Yeah, the flavor's a lot lighter this time. I'm still getting a pretty strong note of hot water. In other words, not much actual tea flavor. But yeah, I think this tea is about spent. I'll probably stop drinking right around here. Thank you for tuning in to Tea Time with Adam. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.